You won't believe what happens when you use X-ray sheets in your garden. This trick is the ultimate pest-busting hack. Cheap, easy, and insanely effective. Alright, we all know X-ray sheets have a unique ability to manipulate light and create eerie reflections. But what if I told you there's a way to double their power? Grab some old X-ray films and position them around your garden. Yes, X-rays. Here's why. When you hang these X-ray sheets around your garden, especially near plants or entry points, the sunlight shines through the translucent film, creating ghostly shifting images that terrify flies, aphids, and even squirrels. The dark areas on the film contrast sharply with the transparent sections, causing strange visual effects that confuse pests. Some gardeners even claim that the eerie images of bones and body scans make animals think there's something unnatural lurking in your garden, keeping them far away. Grab some old X-ray sheets. Any size will work. Cut them into strips or leave them whole for larger coverage. Hang them near garden beds, fruit trees, or any pest-prone areas using string or clips. Position them where they can catch the sunlight for maximum effect. For added protection, move them occasionally to keep pests from getting used to them. The combination of shifting light patterns and the unsettling appearance of X-ray images creates a natural deterrent that pests and small animals find disorienting. Many insects, like flies and aphids, rely on steady visual cues to navigate. These eerie reflections disrupt their vision, making them think danger is near. Some gardeners even swear that birds and squirrels avoid the area altogether. If you want next-level pest control, try combining X-ray sheets with reflective surfaces like mirrors or shiny plastic. This amplifies the confusing light patterns and makes your garden even more unwelcoming to unwanted critters. Gardeners who have tried this hack report a huge drop in pests. Flies disappear, aphids steer clear, and squirrels rethink their life choices. Plus, it's completely non-toxic and eco-friendly. So if you're tired of battling bugs and critters, give this crazy effective trick a try. Your garden will thank you. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments, what's your go-to pest control trick? Happy gardening!